Amazon FBA versus Shopify. Amazon FBA and Shopify are two of the biggest e-commerce giants in the world. However, which one of these two is the bigger fish, and which one's better for your business? Welcome to the 9 to 5 Rebel, and in today's video, we'll be taking a look at Amazon FBA versus Shopify. Make sure to stay until the end of our video to learn all about who's the better platform for your online business, and also subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on for more great videos like this. Also, be sure to check out the link in the description below for more resources. Without further ado, let's begin. Shopify versus Amazon has always been one of the biggest showdowns in the world of e-commerce. Without a doubt, it has a lot to do with both of these platforms being big names and offer huge opportunities for online sellers who wish to begin their journey in e-commerce. Amazon has 150 million visitors per month, and it's known for being the website that earns the most money in a minute. Meanwhile, Shopify powers over 600,000 businesses, which have sold over $82 billion through this e-commerce platform. Let's take a look at the benefits of each of these stores, and we'll let you know which one is the overall winner for your e-commerce store. Let's begin with Shopify. The best benefit of Shopify is its ease of use. Shopify offers an easy way to quickly launch an online store without the fuss over servers and development costs that can be incurred with self-hosted platforms such as Magento. The admin interface in Shopify is clean, user-friendly, and intuitive, considering the features there are logically structured. Unlike other e-commerce platforms, Shopify doesn't require any kind of technical expertise to launch your store. All software and hosting is provided by Shopify itself, which makes it easier to get things up and running and makes hosting faster and more secure. Shopify will also take care of software updates, so you can focus all your efforts on selling and not worry about technical issues on the way. Shopify is one of the most secure and reliable interfaces. It's fast, secure, and always online. One of the big advantages of a hosted solution is the reliability it provides. Shopify will take care of all server maintenance and upgrades to keep your store and shopping cart available at all times and ensure that pages load quickly. SSL certificates can be enabled for your store to encrypt all data and pass it through a secure connection. Plus, Shopify takes care of PCI compliance for you, required when you deal with credit cards. Shopify's customer support is one of the best in the market. They're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and the response time is fairly instant, meaning your business is never on its own. You can get in touch via phone, email, or web chat. In addition, there are a number of community forums, extensive documentation in the Shopify Help Center, plus a range of advanced Shopify University guides. On top of that, considering how mobile optimization is as important as ever today, it's very helpful that Shopify has also implemented mobile-ready optimization. All of Shopify's themes are mobile responsive, and the platform includes a free built-in mobile commerce shopping cart, meaning your store looks great on all devices and your customers can shop freely wherever they are. In addition, there are free iPhone and Android apps that let you manage your store on the go should you wish to. Even if you're not in your desk, you can manage your Shopify store remotely and solve any hot issues that arise on the go. Shopify is highly customizable with around 160 themes, both free and paid, available in the store. All of these themes are mobile responsive, plus hundreds available on sites such as ThemeForest. Each theme is also fully customizable by editing the code, so creating a beautiful and unique online shop that fits with your brand identity is simple. Shopify also features their App Store, which has a treasure trove of functionality that you can add to your online store. With it, you can add reviews, customer wish lists, see analytics, and create loyalty programs for your customers. You can integrate this with accounting software, shipping programs, and social media sites, on top of the marketing apps available. Since you have around 1,500 to choose from, anything you do will probably have an app ready for it. Another of Shopify's great selling points is how potent is their search engine optimization feature. It will help your website rank higher in search results, so your customers can find you. On top of that, you'll have access to advanced analytics that let you know where your customers are coming from, so that you can create your marketing campaigns properly for them. One of Shopify's lesser touted features, yet one of their most useful ones, is their abandoned cart recovery feature. We've all been to an online store where we want to purchase something, but end up leaving without buying it. Roughly around 2/3 of potential customers do this. Shopify offers an abandoned checkout cart recovery service, which automatically tracks and emails these potential customers to remind them to compare their purchase, an easy way to potentially generate more revenue. Shopify has 3 price plans: the basic Shopify plan, which is $29 per month, the Shopify plan, which costs $79 per month, and the advanced Shopify plan, which costs $299 per month. You'll be unlocking more features as you upgrade through the pricing plans. Now, let's talk about Amazon FBA. What are its main features, benefits, and how does it compare against Shopify? Well, to start, Amazon FBA is another powerful e-commerce giant. If you enroll in the FBA program, you can automate order fulfillment by taking advantage of Amazon's advanced shipping and fulfillment services and earn more sales from Amazon's desirable Prime customers. Half of all sales on Amazon come from third-party sellers, and out of the top 10,000 sellers, more than half of them use Amazon FBA. Amazon has more than 300 million active customers, with 90 million Prime subscribers in the US alone. Brands available specifically to Prime buyers are those that utilize FBA. That means that in their platform, at least, Amazon has a big advantage over Shopify. Amazon simply handles the hard work for you, so the only thing you need to do is tell them what products you're sending, and they'll tell you which warehouses to ship your products to. Amazon sorts and stores your products, and once they receive them, they'll add them to their inventory. Your products can then be stored safely in their warehouses. They provide you seller security by reimbursing you in case anything gets damaged in the Amazon warehouse. Next, when the customer buys your product, Amazon will take care of the transaction for you. They'll accept payment and then update your inventory automatically. Every 2 weeks, Amazon will total up your sales, deduct your seller fees, and deposit your profiles into your bank account. Amazon's best benefits are their contracts with most major shipping carriers, which give them steep discounts on shipping costs. On top of that, customers can benefit from Amazon because many of their orders are eligible for free shipping. And Prime memberships get free 2-day shipping on all FBA products, a huge incentive that leads to higher sales. Amazon is known for their excellent customer service, and they offer 24/7 support via phone, chat, and email for users. That eases customers' minds and also takes a huge load off your plate. Using Amazon FBA also means you don't have to worry about how much or how little storage space you require for your products. Instead of paying for a warehouse, you have unlimited storage space for your products. The problem with Amazon, when compared to Shopify, is their cost, and you need to understand how your inventory moves to minimize storage fees. On top of that, if your product sits too long without selling, you'll be faced with long-term storage fees, which can eat away your profits if your inventory isn't making sales. Although Amazon's individual plan is more suitable for small-scale sellers, overall Shopify offers better value for money. It's cheaper than Amazon's professional plan and is more scalable and transparent with its pricing than Amazon, making it easier to budget for. However, the best part of this is that you can actually integrate Amazon into your Shopify store. You can even build your e-commerce business while promoting your products here with only a few clicks. So what are your thoughts on Amazon FBA versus Shopify? Which one will you be using to make sales? Let us know in the comments. Also, make sure to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. We hope you enjoyed our video, and we'll see you next time.